Hey guys, Mark McDaniel to talk to you about why I want to talk about 1,4-dioxane at the SAMI SBC event this November. 1,4-dioxane is not new. That's why I titled the paper the oldest emerging contaminant. I think it was discovered in 1863. Its use increased, peaking in the 1950s for the first time, used as a stabilizer for chlorinated solvents. And then it peaked again in 1985, where we're making about 25 million pounds of that a year. And then it got designated as an ozone depleter, and so production dropped off. And it's been one of those chemicals that's flown under the radar. You see it at your sites where you've got chlorinated solvents, you've probably got 1,4-dioxane. And it hasn't been a big deal until in 2023, it got a designation as a probable carcinogen. And that got a lot of things moving. They tried to put a MDL, a drinking water limit on it federally, but that did not work. But a lot of states didn't really heed that. They went ahead with their own stuff. So last time I looked, over 30 states had some drinking water regulation about 1,4-dioxane on their books. I know that just a quick check of the records, the CIDWIS database at EPA will show you there's close to 2,000, maybe a little over 2,000 now, drinking water systems with 1,4-dioxane in them. And about half the MPL sites have 1,4-dioxane at some level on there. And the levels that those states have set, they vary a lot by an order of magnitude. Here in Colorado, where I live, it's 0.35 parts per billion. Other places are 3,500. So it can really vary. And knowing that this is coming down the pipe for your sites and taking a look at them ahead of time can really get you ahead of things. One of the big problems with 1,4-dioxane is it doesn't really respond to the same treatments we use for chlorinated solvents. In situ oxidation, GAC, things like that, the basic oxidation systems we have aren't really doing the trick because it takes a lot more energy of oxidation to treat it. So I like to talk to you guys about some of the stuff that we've seen, some of the stuff we put in, what worked, what didn't, and just what to be aware of as far as how this is moving and where we're seeing this come up on 5-year reviews, being added to rods, things like that. So come see me. Hopefully they'll approve this so I can talk to you guys about it. Thanks. Bye.